to use this website. So first of all, what you're seeing over here is the text that is displayed, and these are the font sizes. So if you switch to this, so this will get small. 8XL means large, 9XL is the largest, and let's revert back to text 7XL. And then you have these values which is like loop. So if I stop the loop, it will stop it. Now if I run it, so then again it will keep on running. So the next thing which is, it is border. So it's the border thing. Shadow, it gives a blue shadow. uh, you can now see I have turned off the border. What is text center? Text center just centers it. I'll push it back. And what does toggle do? Toggle does this thing. Now this is the contact me page. Now let me stop the loop. So I have just stopped the loop. I know how it stopped because it has turned to white. And the best feature of all that, you could just write something of your own. Taylor Swift is the best. And what is the spaced image link thing? So if you're having some, say, image, like let's say India flag, and go over there and you click on copy image address, and you paste it over here. So you see we're getting something like this. And we have some classic text too if you do not want these fancy gradients. And yep, this is how you need to use this site. You could even use this. There once was a man named Gold Roger who was king of the pirates. Okay, it didn't work. There once was a man named Gold Roger who was king of the pirates. He had fame, power, and wealth beyond your wildest dreams. And before you hung him from the gallows, these were the final words he said: "My fortune is whomever is taking, but you have to find it first. I left everything idle in one piece." Ever since, pirates from all over the world set sail for the Grand Line, searching for one piece, the treasure that would make their dreams come true. I've stopped the loop as well. Let's give it some border. Yep, it looks good. Center. You could also copy paste some lyrics. Let's see. Damn, on now lyrics. And to copy paste it, you will have to use Control Shift V or Command Shift V if you're on Mac. Otherwise, what will happen is that if you don't use, you will get something like this, which is not desired. You need Command Shift V. It's good for reading.